Painting the floors of substations is indeed a requirement that serves several important purposes. The primary reasons for this practice revolve around dust and dirt control, improved cleaning, safety, and corrosion protection. Substations, due to their nature, are exposed to a considerable amount of dust and dirt. This is attributed to the presence of electrical equipment, the constant airflow generated by cooling systems, and the inevitable foot traffic of personnel performing maintenance and operational tasks. When floors are left unpainted, their porous surfaces readily trap and accumulate dust and dirt, making them difficult to clean effectively. Painting the floors addresses this issue by creating a smooth, non-porous surface. This barrier effectively minimizes the accumulation of dust and dirt. The smooth surface created by painting makes cleaning operations significantly easier and more effective. Unlike bare floors, painted floors allow for efficient sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping. These methods can readily remove dust, dirt, and other debris, ensuring a cleaner and more hygienic environment within the substation. A clean floor contributes directly to enhanced safety within the substation. By minimizing the accumulation of dust, dirt, and debris, the risk of slips, trips, and falls for personnel working in the area is substantially reduced. This is particularly important in an environment where electrical hazards are already present. Painting the floors also serves as a protective measure against moisture and corrosion. This is particularly relevant in substations where electrical equipment is susceptible to damage from these elements. By providing a barrier against moisture, the paint helps to prevent corrosion of the equipment and extends the lifespan of the substation's infrastructure. The specific requirements for painting substation floors are generally dictated by the regulations and standards established by the local utility or the relevant industry governing the substation's operation. However, several common requirements are typically encountered. Firstly, the type of paint is crucial. Non-slip paints are essential for safety, preventing accidents caused by slippery surfaces. Dust-resistant formulations help to minimize dust accumulation, contributing to a cleaner environment. Corrosion-resistant paints protect the floor and underlying structures from the damaging effects of moisture and chemicals. Secondly, the color of the paint also plays a role. Light-colored paints, such as white or gray, are often preferred. These colors reflect light, which can help to create a brighter and more visually appealing environment within the substation. This improved lighting can enhance visibility and reduce the risk of accidents. Thirdly, the frequency of painting or repainting is determined by the operating conditions within the substation and the extent to which the floors are exposed to dust and dirt. Regular inspections should be conducted to assess the condition of the painted surface and determine when repainting is necessary. This ensures that the protective and aesthetic benefits of painting are maintained. By adhering to these requirements, substation operators can ensure a safe and clean working environment for personnel. This practice can also reduce the risk of equipment damage caused by dust, dirt, moisture, and corrosion. It ultimately contributes to improved overall efficiency and reliability of the substation's operations. In summary, painting substation floors is not merely an aesthetic consideration. It is a practical requirement that enhances safety, cleanliness, and the longevity of substation equipment. It is a relatively simple measure with substantial benefits for the overall operation and maintenance of these critical facilities. The selection of appropriate paints and the implementation of a regular inspection and repainting schedule are key to maximizing the benefits of this practice.